Hey, do you like our van? What do you think about that truck? Do you like that truck?
Yep.
You want to take a ride in it?
No.
You don't? You don't want to take a ride in that? You want to take a ride in this?
Yeah.
You do?
Dad.
Yeah?
Not in that ride.
You did? Yeah. You want to take a ride in it?
No.
You want to take a ride in it right now?
We bought that truck, guys.
Yeah, we bought it.
We bought it while you guys were at school.
I want to ride in the back.
You don't want to ride in the back right now because it's so cold, but you want to ride up in the cab with me?
Oh, yeah, I would. I do too.
You want to ride in here too? Okay, you hop on up there. You love it? It's ours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It is. We bought it while you were at school. We went to the...
Here's the key to it.
Yeah.
It's mine. Here. You guys ready to go?
Yay!
About it? Here, tell your mom about it.
Mom, I love to put baby.
And look at this. Look at this. You can sit right there.
I can. Yay. This is good. This is good.
Should we keep it?
Think it's good?
Should we keep the truck, Aiden?
So we keep it? Yes, we can keep it. Okay, we can keep it. Yay.
You guys say that to the camera?
All right.
Hey, we can keep it.
Look in
My dad buy the truck